Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. For this layout, I will be using the Wild Child bundle that I designed for the February blog train at Pixel Scrapper. And this is the print kit, so I've printed out the papers in the Traveler's Notebook size, and then I have over there the sheet of stickers and then some labels that I've printed out, and I will cut them out as needed. So I've gone ahead here. Before the video started, I adhered that pattern paper to my notebook, and then I went ahead and cut that opening so that I could have a little peek from this fun pink paper there. I'm already looking at the labels, trying to choose which ones I want to put on this one. You can see there I tried to print the labels on my sticker paper, and you can see that my printer is not very good. It really does a bad job with any paper that is not copy paper, so that is my burden to bear at the moment. So usually I just print on copy paper, but every once in a while I like to try to see if maybe the printer has changed its ways. It hasn't, and probably won't, but so now I've got a few of my little bits and bobs that I want to use, and I'm just trying to decide what else to put here on this layout. And what I decide to put on is a lot of flowers. So I'm going through my different embellishments that I have. I'm looking at this sticker sheet that I printed out, thinking about putting that behind. I want to use that library card, but I don't think it is going to fit this time. So I'm pulling out these flowers I have. I've had these for a while. I'm not sure where they came from. I think they might be from Studio Calico. Then I'm just going to spend a while trying to space these out over here on the left side, and I'm going to pull out some different colors, different styles that I have. It'd be a good chance to use some of these orange flowers because I don't use orange very often, but I don't think I do in the end. I think I stick with just those brown and white ones with some different kinds of leaves. I'm just trying to figure out here how to keep a good flow between my photo there on the right and then whatever I'm doing here on the left. And it is proving tricky. And so it'll take me a little while before I figure out something here that I'm happy with. And I'm like, maybe I need some more flowers. But in the end, I decided that trying to stick in some of these colored flowers is just one step too far. I like that arrangement there, so I think I'm sticking them down or sticking them together so that I can keep them where they are. I think I'm just using some masking tape. Some masking tape that's not even honestly very sticky. But, you know, it's what I've got. So now I think what I've decided to kind of fill in some of that, because I just have those two flower clusters. So to fill in some of the space in the background, I'm going to use this flower stamp. And my stamping is always a hit or miss, so You know, it's kind of like the Wild West when I decide to put some stamps down. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. I I guess I don't worry too much about it. I just kind of stick them down and hope for the best. A little bit of that leaf poking out. So you can see there I've done a triangle with the stamp around my photo to kind of keep the emphasis there. And now I think I'm still not quite happy with, I think especially that flower in the middle doesn't quite, still not doing it for me. So I'm going to add some more stamps because I'm sure that will solve the problem here. So you can see that sometimes I generally will make my spreads pretty quick, but this one is giving me some difficulties. Although in the end, I am pretty happy with the results, so it was worth sticking it out and trying to get things placed, you know, just so. So I guess I've committed here. I put that craft leaf over there on the right side, hopefully to try to balance out. Oh, yep, is it gone? Oh, no, it's stuck in there. Yeah, it will help balance out the two on the left side. So now we have spent a lot of time with those flowers. I think now I maybe just might look for another label to stick on here. We'll see. Oh, that's very sweet. I do like that. That says Our Beautiful Life on it. It's a good little final touch there. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.